always pull.
What's my crime, buddy? What's my crime? Pace me, pace.
A highway in Indiana. A driver, a cop, and one hand gesture that would light the fuse. The driver knew his rights. The officer didn't like his attitude. From the very first second, it wasn't about speeding. It was about defiance. Words turned sharp, threats crept in, and backup was called. All because a raised finger challenged the badge.
What are you pulling me over for? Legal pullover. A legal pullover, buddy. You just pulled me over unconstitutionally. You understand that?
Hey, you're speeding.
I'm not speeding. I got a dash cam with my
Hold
GPS on it, buddy.
You flipped me off while I'm driving down.
That's not illegal, buddy. Not illegal. That's not illegal, buddy. Not illegal.
Courts have repeatedly affirmed that non-threatening gestures, even if offensive, do not constitute a crime. This includes the middle finger.
You just committed a crime. No, you're not getting license and registration. I haven't committed no crime. What's my crime? What's my crime, buddy? What's my crime? Pace me. Let me see your thing. Let me see your gun. Let me see your gun, buddy. You paced me. Get out of here. Let me see your radar gun. I'm not giving you registration. You pulled me over unlawfully, sir. Santos, number 6. You pulled me over unlawfully, sir. Santos, number 6.
A traffic stop without reasonable suspicion or probable cause violates the Fourth Amendment, making any evidence gathered potentially inadmissible in court.
20? Yeah. No, I'm not giving you my license registration. You pulled me over unlawfully, buddy. Unlawful pullover. You gonna let me go to work now?
No.
Yeah, okay. I'm not giving you. Under what? If I don't, what are you gonna do? That's a secondary crime, dude. That's a secondary crime. Is it?
Yeah.
What'd you pull me over for?
Speeding.
I'm giving you my license registration under threat of arrest and your litigation, buddy. Litigation. Here's my license. Here's my registration, and you're going to litigation, buddy.
Okay.
You are. No problem, buddy. You call backup code 3 for a speeding ticket and a camera, buddy. You call backup code 3 for a speeding ticket and a camera, buddy.
Using emergency backup for a minor traffic stop without a safety threat can be seen as an intimidation tactic rather than a legitimate safety measure.
You're receiving your speeding ticket.
Good.
Right?
Give me my speeding ticket and get away from me. I don't need no more lawful directions from you, buddy.
Whose truck is this, though? Is your work truck?
I don't answer questions. Give me my ticket. I don't answer questions. Give me my ticket.
The Fifth Amendment protects your right not to answer questions during a traffic stop beyond providing required identification in a lawful stop.
In contact with your work company as well, all right, man?
You go ahead and do what you need to do, buddy.
So,
threaten me some more.
Go ahead.
Threaten me some more.
Go ahead.
Litigation will start against you, Santos.
Hey, go ahead and fight the ticket.
Yeah,
right?
I will fight the ticket, yeah.
In the end, a gesture became the heart of the conflict. The law said it was free speech. The officer treated it like a crime. And what should have been a ticket turned into a battle over principle, because sometimes, on the side of the road, it's not the law that decides, it's the ego. Here is another case. In the clear light of day, a driver remains seated inside his car, hands on the wheel, eyes fixed on the officer outside. The glass between them is thin, but the tension it carries feels thick. Words travel through an open window, each one sharpening the edge of this roadside encounter. What started as a stop now teeters on the edge of something bigger.
Yes, sir.
Driver's license proof insurance?
What'd I do?
I'll need your driver's license and I'll explain it to you.
I'm working on it. No, what'd I do first? Why you pull me over?
Driver's license and
No,
I'll
what'd you pull me over for? Tell me that first.
Sir, let me explain something to you.
And what's your, I know the law. No, you have to tell me why you pull me over.
I don't have to tell you
Bullshit.
why.
I have driver's.
I don't have to tell you
Bullshit.
why.
I have driver's.
This is wrong. In most US states, during a traffic stop, the officer must state the reason for the stop when asked. It's part of ensuring the stop is lawful under the Fourth Amendment.
I have to identify you first.
No, you don't. You have my tag number right there. Are you J Troop or K Troop? Who are you? No, what did you pull me over for first?
Sir,
I do a wide. I'm not trying to be difficult. I'm just telling you. I'm not. Anyway, I'm just asking, why'd you pull me over first? I did one wide open throttle on my diagonal, and you also pulled my son over, the same thing too, Caleb Miller. You saw me at Rose's one time with an open carry weapon. I'm just asking, and I know Jamie Act, whatever, but why'd you pull me over? No, you have my tag number, you can run it. It does show insurance though on stuff.
That's correct.
No, but tell me why. You have to tell me why you pulled me over. You hadn't identified yourself yet. I see a uniform, I see a vehicle. Why did you pull me over? I did a wide open throttle, real quick. I'm a diagnostic mechanic. I'm working on a truck, and I'm heading toward a guy's house to help me with it. in Columbia. I am listening. No, you don't have to explain. That's a cop's plane. No,
I need
no.
to identify you. I'll explain you.
I am Robert B. Henschling. My birthday is 6/22/62. I own this truck and I have registration and everything. You don't have to know that. Tell me why you pulled me over. I know who you are, and I know you know Jamie Atkins, R37. Okay, I'm not naming names, but you have to tell me, you know, who you are. Identify yourself. You do. I own this truck. You can run my tag number. Brand new tag, brand new license. Tell me why. There's my proof of insurance. It has my name on it right there. I don't have to hand this to you. All I have to do is just show you. I don't have to hand this to you. All I have to do is just show you.
In some states, drivers are only required to present or display proof of insurance, not physically hand it over. This varies by state law, but the driver's claim can be valid.
I'm not trying to be difficult. I'm asserting my right. No, I'm a nice guy. I'm a really nice guy.
Am I not being
You are, but I don't have to. I don't have to do that. Now, tell me why you pulled me over. Tell me. No. In fact, I'm gonna lock the doors or wind up a little bit too. I just need to ask. I'm going to a friend's house in Columbia right now. I did one wide open throttle on my truck. I just took it 1,200-mile round trip. Jamie knows that. I sent him all the information, whatever. You know, did one wide open throttle. I was not reckless driving. I did one wide open throttle on the truck. I let off. I saw you way back there sitting, but I have you on video right there. That's fine. That's really cool. I appreciate that. I really do. No, I'm not stepping out. No. There's no reason to step out either. There's no reason
Look, I'm
either.
gonna give you a couple options.
No.
You
No.
can either get out of the vehicle or give
No.
me a license.
No.
You can either get out of the vehicle or give me
No.
a license.
The officer can legally ask for a license, but ordering someone out of the car requires a specific legal justification. The Supreme Court allows ordering drivers out for safety, but it cannot be used as intimidation without cause.
I can give you my license, but I'm not stepping out of the vehicle. No. It's very dangerous for me to be out, stepping out, you know, in this situation. You don't know me, I don't know you. No.
Listen to me, get out of the
No.
truck. Get out of
There's
the truck.
my license
Get
right
out of the
there.
truck. You're being disorderly.
No.
Your lawful command. Get out
There's
of the
my
vehicle.
license. It's not a
Get out of
lawful
the vehicle.
command. No.
Get out of the vehicle.
No.
Get out
There's
of the
no
vehicle.
reason for this.
Quit reaching under the seat. You leave that license
My
right
gun's
there.
over there. There's no reason for this. Here's my brand new license. Jamie just got me this license. Do not do that. No.
Get out of the car. Get out of the truck. Get out of the truck right now.
There's no reason for this. You
Get out
did
of
this
the
to my
truck.
son.
Get out of the truck.
No.
You're
There's
under arrest
no
for
reason.
You're under arrest for disorderly conduct. You're under
There's
arrest
no
for
reason.
You're under arrest for disorderly conduct.
The officer appears to mean disorderly conduct. Arresting someone simply for asking questions or refusing an unlawful order can violate First and Fourth Amendment rights.
I didn't do anything.
Failure to obey a lawful command.
That's
Get out of the
bullshit.
truck.
There's my
Get out of the
license
truck.
right there. No.
Get out of the
You can
truck.
call Jamie
Now.
Atkins right now.
Get out of the truck.
I have my license on. I have my seatbelt on. I didn't do anything wrong. You call R37 right now.
Get out of the vehicle.
No.
Get out of the
No.
truck.
No. Stop it. There's no reason for this bullshit now.
I tried to tell you that. It smells like you've been drinking.
No, I have not
Get out of
been
the truck.
drinking.
I tried to tell you that. It smells like you've been drinking.
No, I have not been
Get out of the truck.
drinking.
This sudden claim about drinking is a shift in justification. Officers need reasonable suspicion based on clear signs to investigate DUI. It can't be used as a fallback reason for the stop.
No. Tase me if you want to.
Get out of
Tase
the
me.
vehicle. Get out of the vehicle.
Tase me. Tase me. That shit don't bother me. You understand? Stop
Get
it.
out of the truck.
Stop it.
Get out of the truck.
Stop it. Look, stop it.
Quit reaching. Quit reaching.
I'm not
Quit reaching. Quit
My
trying to put
gun
your
is over
goddamn.
there. Stop it. Stop it. Stop this. De-escalate.
Haysburg.
You hear me?
Haysburg, give me some assistance here. I need assistance on traffic stop.
Stop it. I haven't done anything wrong. I ain't done anything.
Haysburg, I need some assistance. Highway 98, westbound.
I haven't done anything.
You got a subject not want to exit the vehicle. Get out of the truck
Okay?
now.
You saw me.
Get out of the truck.
You saw me. You saw me.
Get out of the truck.
You saw me at Rose's barbecue one
I don't
time.
care.
I'm not a violent person.
Well, you're
you
violent.
are being violent.
Get out of the truck.
No.
Get out of the truck. Get out of the truck. Get out.
Let me go.
Get out.
Let me go.
Get out. Step out of the truck. Put your hands behind your back.
Let me go.
Because you got a gun.
Let me go.
Even as the sun casts a bright glow over the scene, the atmosphere inside that car feels closed and heavy. The driver stays put, holding his ground. The officer stands firm, pressing for control. Neither door opens, neither side yields. Under daylight's clarity, the lines are drawn, and this roadside exchange becomes a quiet yet powerful test of will.